So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Motors share. So we know that on Friday, the stock has given very good movement and it has sustained the 330 rupees level. So now we'll try to do the technical analysis to find out what would be the next target in short term as well as in long term, how the stock will perform. So we'll try to do the analysis, and followed by, we know that there were few updates which were running around Tata Motors which made the stock look positive in the past few trading sessions. So in the coming sessions also, how the stock will react to that particular updates, we'll try to look into it, and also we'll see the deliveries which are increasing on considerable basis, and as usual after that we'll go to the charts. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group if you have not done that, so that you'll not miss any instant updates. Okay, so coming to the updates which were running around Tata Motors. So we know that recently an update was released especially related to TML Holdings, which has raised around $425 million, which is roughly around 3,100 crores, which will be basically used for refinancing loan as well as for other general corporate purposes. So this was the update which was released. So after that, the stock has also taken that in a very good manner, and it has crossed the 330 rupees level despite the volatility in the market. So we know that on Friday, both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty were little volatile, so fluctuation was present, but many stocks could not sustain, but Tata Motors make sure that it is following the technicals very well. So when I take you to the technical chart, so there clearly I'll try to show you one bullish indicator is already being shown. So what is that and all we'll discuss. So quickly, if we see how the deliveries are being taken on regular basis, so you can see on June 4th we have seen 30.5% deliveries, and the stock has given around 2.9% positive movement. So on an average basis, you're seeing little bit of deliveries are increasing. So whenever we are seeing increased delivery, the time we are seeing price also is increasing. So that is one thing you need to understand. And similarly, traded quantity is obviously present, and we know a little bit of volatility is also one factor in Tata Motors, but nevertheless, whenever it gives any movement, it tries to go to the maximum extent. So last, if we go 4 to 5 days back, so that time the stock was in complete consolidation, so nothing major move was seen. So now it has, since it is respecting the levels, so we should also focus them, and if you're interested, so focus on the levels and then only invest. So don't blindly go and put any heavy amount. So try to follow the technicals and then only invest. Okay, so quickly let's go to technical charts. Okay, so we're back onto technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Tata Motors, and you can see on Friday it has closed near the 334.95 rupees level with almost 2.86 positive movement. Okay, so when you see technical charts, so clearly you can see the stock was completely trading in a range. So now it is trying to give a breakout from that particular region, which is roughly around 350 rupees region. So in the coming session, so that particular region is going to play a very strong resistance. So once it breaks that all-time high, then definitely it will try to approach the 375 rupees region. So that is the immediate next target that we can expect on the basis of pivot points. And similarly, if you go a little bit down and if you see two moving averages, so one is 200-day exponential moving average and another one is 50-day exponential moving average. So both of them are trying to have a cross, and you can see the 50-day exponential moving average is trying to cross above 200-day, which is a golden crossover, and obviously it is a bullish indication. So I know many in previous videos also I used to discuss about this particular crossover. So whenever this happens, we know the stock shows some very good bullish movement. So that also we need to observe in the coming sessions. And if you see money flow index, so that is near 51. So that is also completely in very good region in mid range, and that may also go up in the coming session. So depend upon market conditions, that also is very important. So we know despite market fall, Tata Motors is going up because of the updates which are running around. So this is on a weekly time frame. And coming to support you need to focus near 325. So that is going to be the support. Okay, as usual, earlier also we have discussed these technicals, but now since it is showing some very good momentum, so you need to focus on 350. After that, immediate targets can be 375. So this is on weekly time frame. So let's quickly go to daily chart. So in that also we'll try to analyze how the stock is performing. Okay, so now when we see the daily time frame chart, so there also you can see today's closing, that is, or yesterday, that is on Friday's closing, was very important, and it has closed above the previous resistive region from where it has showed some correction. So after that we have 341 rupees level, so that is also going to be very important on daily time frame. So once it sustains there as well, then definitely it will give some very good momentum. So it is a slow and steady stock nowadays. It is not that volatile. So whenever it gives any moment, it waits for a little, okay, whatever volume that it wants. So after that only it is trying to generate the momentum. It is not a rapidly moving stock, so it is going in a slow and steady manner. So you need to wait for the right moment, and you need to have some patience, okay, to get some very good profit in Tata Motors. And similarly in daily time frame, you can see money flow index is near 63, so that is also very good. So try to focus, and you can see volumes are also increasing. So if everything goes well, then definitely it should approach that particular levels. So keep watching them, and further if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me within Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.